Hello guys, welcome to another class in passive information gathering session or stage. So in the previous class we have learned who is lookup tool, in which we have tried to gather information regarding a domain, and we try to gather information like domain IP, registrant, registrar details, IP block, ASN number, email addresses, technical contact, phone numbers and other details of the company owner or a domain owner. And we got a crucial information like phone number, assuming that when you have done the same thing and you got a phone number, which is very important thing for social engineering. And in order to conduct attacks using phone number, you have to investigate or try to get some information on that phone number, and it can be done using a process called as a reverse phone lookup. So reverse phone lookup is nothing but finding out the information that is related to that phone number or the contact number, like who is the owner of the number, or who owns the number, whether it is a person or an organization. So as you can see on the screen, the definition: reverse phone lookup is a process that allows you to find information about a person or a business that is associated with the phone number, and it generally works by entering the phone number into a search tool or a website that provides you these services, reverse phone lookup details. So if you search on the Google, there are so many services, there are so many companies or websites that provides reverse phone lookup services. Mostly all of, not mostly, all of them are premium services only. You can also get the details of a phone number from various public resources using your technical skills, or you can say creative skills. Also, this reverse phone lookup is generally used for finding a person behind a scam calls. You might be getting some scam calls from like marketing persons or a fraud calls. If you are in India, you get something like OLX calls selling fake products. Okay, so we have this app called Truecaller, which actually gives the identity of the caller. That is actually a kind of a reverse phone lookup. So reverse lookup defines nothing but finding out the person or business associated with the number that you got or that you have enumerated during the passive information gathering stage, and it is very important in your ethical hacking classes if you are writing a CEH exam. So now let me go back to my Kali machine, where we have earlier enumerated a phone number. So when I did who is of facebook.com, we got who is results, and in which we got a phone number, and the number is 6505434800. So let me try to get the information of this phone number. But since I'm from India, let me show you the Truecaller app which I have mentioned earlier. I have already logged into this website, as you can see on the top right corner, and let me give a phone number or a mobile number into the search bar over here. Search phone number 97012 and let me hit on search button, and you can see the results. The owner of this number is Kiran Tirukovela from INSECTECHS. This could be a company number, as you can see INSECTECHS in the name field, and the address is Andhra Pradesh, India. And we have also retrieved email address. So this email address can be used to send fake emails. Also, we can send emails to this email ID expecting some information from the mail server when you actually analyze the headers from the mail that you have received as an answer to your email. So you can use this web service or an app, Truecaller, to retrieve the information or details of the phone number. Now if I go to website google.com search engine and type free reverse phone number lookup and hit enter, as you can see, there are a lot of websites that are giving services of reverse phone lookup. And as you can see, one of these services is IP quality score. And if you type a number over here in the search field and hit phone number search, you can get the details of that phone number, like the name of the person, location, address, email contacts, and so on. And this service is limited to few countries only, not available in every country. As you can see or read in this page, free reverse phone number lookup. Need to verify users' payments or lead generation data. Find the owner name of any phone number with our IP quality score. Our reverse phone lookup service, and available in most of the countries. As said, not available in every country, but available in most of the countries. Search phone number with access of hundreds of millions of phone numbers records, including cell phones, landlines, and VoIPs, voice over internet protocols. So you can read the entire page. or any other websites like you can see here numlookup.com. So let me go back to my Kali machine. Let me copy this number, copy. And if I paste this number over here and hit on search button, as you can see, a report is generating regarding this number. Oops, something went wrong. This feature is not supported in your country. So not an issue. Let me go back. As said, reverse phone lookup services are not available in every country. And now let me go back to my Kali machine. And in here, let us assume that we got a name of a person, like name of a person who is related to a technical department who handles the technical queries of this domain name or this organization. Copy the name and do investigation on that name, and it is called as a people search. So let me go to website insectechs.in, and in this website we are on the page contact us, and if you see we don't have any name of any person. So let me go back to a Google search engine, google.com, and type people search engine and hit enter. And as you can see, there are so many websites that gives information or people search services. So this is a self-explanatory class, like finding out the details of a person on internet using a public resources, which is passive information gathering. And let me open this website called as lifewire.com, and in here, as you can see, the heading 8 best people search engines for finding anyone. Let me scroll down. Okay, let me open this website. Second link, truthfinder.com, and let me type Will Smith search, and as you can see, please select Will's gender, male, next. So this website is finding Will Smith details from the millions of records it have, and it is telling Will Smith won't know that you did this in the background search on them. Again, question, what else you know about Will Smith? Will Smith middle or initial? I don't know, but let me write some like Hollywood. Submit. I don't know Mr. Will's age, so let me write some random age number, 60. Submit. Do not exit this window or go back. Patience is virtue. And it take 2 minutes to complete, but that is not true, I guess. Continue. Few more questions. Has Will Smith lived their whole life in all? I'm not sure. Oh, come on now, no more patience. It is asking too many questions. Even my wife never asked me this many questions. Not sure. Search is still going on, and it is a self-explanatory class. If I ask you to find out details of any beautiful or pretty girl, you would definitely use your creative skills and go through all of the internet sources to grab the information of that woman, and it's still going on. Finally, you can see that your search for Will Smith may be too broad, so asking for little more information. So let me use another website. As you can see over here, facebook.com, which is a social networking platform, as you know very well, and here you can actually search for peoples using the option you can see over here for people. And if we scroll down, being verified is yet another website that is giving a people search service. So scroll down and try any website. Scroll down, and LinkedIn, PQ. PQ is yet another very good service. So let me open this website. So now on this website, in here we can type, let me type Kiran Tirukovela, all state, hit on search button. So as you can see over here, we got some information from the public records available on the internet. So I found Kiran Tirukovela. I found myself. That's very good. And we can, as you can see over here, Kiran Tirukovela, phone number, contact address, social media profiles, which is very important. Again, below down, Kiran Tirukovela, phone number, address, and so on. Email addresses. So lot of information, and if you want to have this information completely, you need to pay for this service, I guess. So let me scroll down. So as you can see over here, unlock premium results. As said, most of these people services or phone number reverse lookup services are premium services only. You will not get it for free. So that's it in this mostly self-explanatory class on how to find out the information regarding the phone number or a people on internet using publicly available resources. In the later classes, we will use tools to get the same information. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.